2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, compass, power windows, heated steering wheel, trip computer, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.